Hey guys, welcome back to Chihita Hat and Tara Show. Today I'm going to be unboxing Hello Kitty and Friends figure, and it's actually a piggy bank and you can paint it by yourself, and it's a figurine. So let's get unboxing. Let's cut it. Whoa. Let's open this. So guys, this it is. There is black. It looks black, if I'm not mistaken. Black, pink, dark pink, and let's see. I think this is some green. Actually, guys, this is gray. So look, it's gray. And this is actually glass. I don't know what's on the bottom. I wonder if you could take it out. So guys, the first color I'm going to use is some black. So guys, this is how it came out so far. Black ears. Now let's do the headband thing. Guys, this is my next color. This is how it's coming out so far. Which color should we do? Let's do black again for the eyes. And then when I get to the clothing part, that's when we're gonna get more creative. These are my eyes. Let's do a little bit more pink, cause yeah. But this time we're gonna use dark pink. This is how it looks now. Now it is time. Let's try to do the nose with some pink. Okay, trying to do the outfit. I'll show you when I'm done, because I can't tell you. Guys, this is the finished result. These ears are dry. The forehead is almost dry. But this right here is... Oh. Well, it's almost dry. Yeah, it's almost. But guys, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope y'all guys like it. Bye!